unimaginable instant, the universe expanded from an infinitely dense point, filling with energy and setting the stage for everything that exists today. As the universe cooled and expanded, fundamental particles formed, which eventually came together to create the first atoms of hydrogen and helium. Gravity pulled these vast clouds of gas together, causing them to collapse under their own weight and ignite, giving birth to the very first stars in the cosmos. Inside these primordial stars, intense pressure and heat forged heavier elements like carbon and iron, which were scattered into space when the stars ended their lives in spectacular explosions. Over generations of these stellar life cycles, the enriched dust and gas condensed to form new generations of stars, accompanied by swirling disks of matter that would eventually coalesce into planets, moons, and other celestial bodies. On one such young planet, orbiting a stable sun, the chemistry was just right for complex molecules to form, eventually leading to the spark of life that would evolve into the diverse ecosystems we see today. In those humble beginnings, life thrived and adapted, climbing the ladder of complexity until a sentient species arose, capable of pondering its own existence and looking back toward the very stars that forged them. This sentient species began to explore their world, building civilizations and developing tools, eventually looking beyond their home planet to understand the vast cosmos and the laws that govern the universe. As they ventured into the void of space, they discovered clues about an ancient, advanced civilization that had once spanned the stars, sparking a new era of discovery and the quest to uncover their long-lost secrets. Among the ruins scattered across distant worlds, they found artifacts of impossible technology and maps charting regions of space that seemed to defy the known laws of physics, promising answers but raising even deeper questions. What direction should the story take next? Driven by curiosity, they launched an expedition into the uncharted region of space charted on the ancient map, stepping into a void where time and space seemed to behave differently. As they navigated this strange void, their sensors detected a massive, silent structure drifting in the dark, a monolith built from unknown materials, absorbing all light and energy in its vicinity. They cautiously approached the monolith and extended a docking tether, sending a remote probe into its dark interior to uncover the secrets hidden within its shadowy depths. The probe's cameras revealed a vast, hollow chamber filled with intricate, glowing pathways that pulsed with dormant energy, suggesting it was once the central control hub of the lost civilization. As the probe's systems interacted with the dormant pathways, the entire monolith began to hum, and a map of the galaxy materialized in the center of the chamber, highlighting several unexplored systems far beyond the known frontier. Compelled by the new galactic map, they adjusted course and plunged deeper into the unknown, unaware that the monolith had activated a hidden beacon, alerting an ancient and forgotten presence in the furthest reaches of space. As their vessel pushed into the silent expanse, space began to warp around them, and a celestial phenomenon shimmered into view, revealing a tear in the fabric of reality itself. As they cautiously approached the glowing rift, their sensors detected energy signatures matching the ancient technology they had been tracking, suggesting a hidden passage or a gateway built by the lost civilization. Before they could commit to entering the rift, a sudden, jarring emergency alert flashed across their screens, indicating an unknown threat approaching rapidly from the shadows of the void. Out of the darkness emerged a fleet of derelict vessels, their hulls stripped and warped, yet moving with a coordinated, terrifying purpose straight toward them. With the derelict fleet closing in, the captain initiated evasive maneuvers, diving the ship toward the glowing rift as the only possible escape route from the encroaching threat. As the ship plunged into the swirling energy of the rift, the surrounding space dissolved into a blinding maelstrom of color and sound, pushing their systems to the absolute limit. Emerging from the maelstrom, the ship glided into calm, silent space. Before them hung a breathtaking nebula, glowing with vibrant shades of magenta and gold, and at its center, an artificial world spun majestically. This marks the end of part 1 of our journey through magical space.